Hi, my name is Tamala Price, and I'm an instructor West Foreman Park. I'm about to show you a few exercises that you can do. Now, I'm the one they call Coach Tammy, and fitness is one thing I do. It's the end of the year, and about that time, we do a few quick exercises. We're gonna do 10 squats, 10 jumping jacks, 10 abs, 10 elbow, knees to back. Now that we know what we're gonna do, we're gonna jump right into the moves in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walk it out. Now that we're done with our squats, we're going to jump right into our jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walk it out. The only thing left for us to do is elbow knees, then we're through in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hope you had fun with me doing exercises virtually. What I like to say, stay safe, be blessed, see you soon. Happy holidays.